So we have now covered all the key features within the MOBOTIX camera that you'll need to know about and enable to set up a basic surveillance system. Now we're back at the Windows desktop. We're going to double click on the MxControlCenter icon. This will now launch MxControlCenter. The first thing we need to do is go to the Options menu. Admin password. This is the password that the user has to type in to access the MxControlCenter option menu. This will prevent unauthorized access to the options menu. Please keep the admin password confidential as you don't want unauthorized and, just as importantly, unskilled users from accessing and changing the system's settings without your knowledge. User password. This password enables users to access MxControlCenter, but the user password does not provide access to the options menu. Users need to enter this password to perform certain actions, such as to shut down MxControlCenter and other restricted actions. For the sake of this training program, we will not set any passwords here. However, you should create an admin and user password when setting up before you do anything else to prevent unauthorized user access to the system. Auto logout. This feature automatically logs the user out of the system if no user activity is detected within a certain time period. The default auto logout time period is 600 seconds. You can change this value once you have entered an admin password. Auto logout does not shut down MxControlCenter. This will continue to run in the background. If you are logged out, you just need to re-log back in to access the options menu again. Global camera username. This feature allows MxControlCenter to view footage and recorded images from the cameras. Please note that if every MOBOTIX camera on the network has the same username and password, then you only have to enter one global username and password. This cuts down a lot of the setup time. If for some reason though you wish to use different usernames and passwords for each camera, we'll show you how to do this shortly. Username. Here you set up the admin and the password that you enter during the quick install setup at the beginning of this DVD. We enter the default, which is MEINSM, which we'll enter here and again in the second box for verification. Proxy. This is an advanced setting. This and other features which are classified as advanced settings will be skipped over and covered in the advanced DVD. Again, we are only covering the functions you need to know about for a basic surveillance installation. File server path.